Gosh, what's wrong with your car?
I have no idea. I think the battery's dead.
We're stranded.
Yeah, because it won't do anything.
You gotta check engine sign on it.
All we need to do is get somebody to jump a car, but I
We gotta find someone.
Yeah, I don't know how to jump it. So we gotta find somebody that can jump it.
Hey, our car won't start. Can y'all help us?
That was rude. That was great.
I bet you will.
It's called Girl Code, okay? Alright, you got it? You ready? Wait a minute. How do you do that? This car is broke. Hold on. It's a button right here somewhere.
Y'all, how are we supposed to?
Wait, now I got my hands under here.
If you just hit it,
It's something under here.
Just kick it, girl. Just
it must be like a clap.
Y'all, I got my fingers. I would appreciate it if y'all stop smacking it.
It's not working.
okay.
We're out here
Somebody help us. Well, who can we ask?
Whitney, flash somebody. Maybe we'll get.
Oh, let's see if we can just, be a little sexy.
Someone out here.
Someone.
Try the sexy approach.
I'm ready for this.
I'm over sexy. It's too hot outside for sexy.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stick my leg up.
But I'm
Legs.
Did you shave?
Oh, our car broke down.
Oh yeah, we need to jump. I think.
But we don't know how to do it, and we don't know
We don't even know how to open it.
Y'all battery dead?
I think so. Oh, I'll get the door. You don't have to go inside my car.
I'm not gonna steal your car.
I know, but it's just the safety precaution.
Just thought we was gonna steal it. Just trying to help. Sorry, man.
Where's your car?
Oh,
Our car over
hey,
there.
run with the car.
Dave's coming with it.
He's coming.
Yeah, Dave.
Bring the car, Dave, over here.
Nice man.
Dave.
Got it open.
Oh wow. So okay, now how exactly did you just pop the?
Yeah, how did you
Well,
pop the trunk?
Let's start over.
Well, if you will allow me to come show you the car, in the inside there's a button you pull.
Okay, look. Make sure it's closed securely.
Oh.
It releases a hatch.
Let me go release
Okay.
the hatch. Okay, let me come see.
Well, first, lift the hood up a little bit because the handles, it's right under. You got to feel around for it. And you got to move the handle. Release the hold. Stick it properly, and that's how you do it right there.
And
So when you jump a car, where do you put the cable?
So after we jump your car, can we
Right
go on a
here.
date or something?
Sure. Just
Can you jump the car first?
Okay.
This is
Where's
the
the
positive.
battery?
That's the negative. This is the battery.
go out.
This is the hot.
you're frail.
This whole
Match the
machine.
red with the red. Okay. Make sure they're on that good.
Start my car and then it'll just be.
Yeah, and then you
Rev it up.
drain it. Yeah, you drain it.
And so how long do you have to leave them on there?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, seems easy enough.
Thanks, guys.
No problem. Now about this date.
Okay.
Yeah,
come
we
on, hurry
gotta
up, get in the car.
go.
Guys, have a good one. Look here.